Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to open the box of D23A. Now let's start from the beginning. It's very simple and easy. Okay, right in front of us is the carton. Now once you receive the units, you will find the carton here. Then cut the top of the carton, open this up. Then you can take out the units with the plastic. Wheelchair outside the carton already. Please check out that we have a cushion, a charger in a box, and also a controller. Find out the back of the seat back. Inside the back we have the user's manual. Inside that we have safety belts, connecting wire, and some simple tools for you available in the future. Alright, to open the wheelchair, it's simple and easy. Simply just hold the hands on the top of the backrest, and then the other hand touch the seat, and then you can open it. Very simple and easy. Wheelchair is already fully open. We just need to set the controller here, slide in the pipe into the frame, and then turn the knob to tight and connect the wire here, and then put the cushion on the top of the seat. There are two ways of charging the battery. First one, you can just direct charge from the controller, or you can take out the battery from the wheelchair. For off-board charging, that you can separate the wheelchair and battery. You can charge anywhere in your room or any restaurant, wherever there's a power source. Push two levers on the back here to switch to manual if you want to push the wheelchair by hands. If you want to control by electric, pull the lever back, then turn on the power from controller. We can just easily to go. To access the wheelchair, we can lift up the armrest from the side, then we can access the wheelchair from the side. Put the armrest back, turn on the power, then we can go. The wheelchair is fully charged on the battery when we go out of the factory, so you can straight away, when you set up everything, you can have a test riding. This wheelchair allows you to turn 360 degrees. Folding the wheelchair is really simple and easy. We just need to touch the button of the folding mechanism control here, and then push the top of the seat back to the front a little bit. Then hold the other hands on the frame. Push the two hands towards the center. Just in 3 seconds, you can fold the wheelchair easy and simple. Then once the wheelchair is folded, you can just carry it like a suitcase. You can tow it everywhere. Thank you very much for watching the video and choosing the JBH wheelchair. We hope you enjoy it. Any question, we have all the information listed on the manual, or you can always check our YouTube channel. We have full information for you. Thank you very much.